Today we're going to create a beloved cartoon character, the Pink Panther. With his sleek, cool demeanor and iconic pink color, the Pink Panther is a fun and exciting character to bring to life on paper. Start by drawing a head. This will be the foundation of the Pink Panther's face. First, draw a circle, then draw a long curved line for nose. Then draw a small triangular shape. Then draw a small curve for a mouth. Then draw one more circle for an eye. Then draw two horizontal lines in both eyes. Then draw a small circle in both eyes for pupil. Now draw a curved line for left ear. Then draw a curved line for right ear. Now draw drop-like shape in both ears. Now draw eyebrows one by one. Now draw a curved line for smile. Now draw a curved line for face. Then draw two vertical lines for neck. Extend the lines outward from the neck to create the shoulders. From the shoulders, draw two long, thin arms. The Pink Panther has slender limbs, so keep them light and graceful. Add small hands at the end of each arm. Sketch in the fingers, making them long and slightly curved. Now draw a long curved line for body. Now draw one more long curved line. Now draw a curved line. Now draw two long, slender legs starting from the bottom of the body. Add ovals at the end of each leg for the feet. The feet should be larger compared to the hands. Draw a long, thin, curved line extending from the back of the body. The Pink Panther's tail is very expressive, so you can give it a playful curl or twist. Finally, it's time to bring our Pink Panther to life with some color. Use a pink-colored pencil or marker to color in the Pink Panther's body. Be sure to color evenly to avoid streaks. And there you have it. You've just drawn and colored the Pink Panther. Great job! So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more art tutorials. See you next time for more exciting drawing tutorials. Bye for now.